Division. We have already seen cell cycle, phases of cell cycle, then types of cell division. There are main two types of cell division, that is mitosis and meiosis. What is the mitosis or what is the definition of mitosis? It is the type of cell division in which chromosome number remains constant. That means 2n is equal to 2n. For example, in human body cell, how many chromosomes are there? 46 in mother cell, and two daughter cells are produced with how many chromosomes? 46. These two cells are identical as that of mother cell. Therefore, genetically identical two daughter cells produced at the end of mitosis. There are four phases of mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. What are the changes takes place in the cell and the nuclear region? Actually, in the prophase, nuclear membrane start to disappear. Then chromosome becomes thick. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane start to disappear, and in the metaphase what happened? At the late prophase, nuclear membrane completely disappeared, nucleolus completely disappeared, only chromosomes becomes thick, and in the metaphase, what happens? Spindle fibers get formed. That means these fibers which are attached to the centromere and centriole and the equator of the cell. Chromosomes present at the equator of cell. Equator म्हणजे विषुववृत्त किंवा मध्यभाग. पेशींच्या मध्यभागी गुणसूत्र स्वतःला अटॅच करून घेतात. कोणाबरोबर? स्पिंडल फायबर. यांना काय म्हणायचं? स्पिंडल फायबर. ते तंतू आहेत त्यांच्या बरोबर. स्पिंडल फायबर्स गेट अटॅच्ड टू द attached with the chromosomes at the and arranged at the equatorial plane or equatorial region. These changes occurs in the metaphase. What happens in the third phase or anaphase? In the anaphase, the chromosomes which are present at the equator start moving at the towards the opposite poles. These are opposite pole of the cell. North pole, south pole, you know very well. These chromosomes start moving. That means this spindle fiber get contracted and attached chromosome get moved towards this opposite pole. Chromosome moves towards the pole, north pole and south pole of the cell. Then finally, after some time, what happens? At the last phase or telophase, this chromosome reaches towards the opposite pole, and again new nuclear membrane and new nucleolus get formed around these chromosomes. Therefore, one daughter nucleus is formed at one end, another daughter nucleus formed at another end, and in between these two nuclei there is a formation of cell plate or partition. Therefore, two new daughter cells get formed with completely formed daughter nuclei. Two daughter nuclei are there. Single nucleus and plural nuclei. How many daughter cells are formed at the end of mitosis? Two daughter cells with equal number of chromosomes in the nucleus. Is it clear to you? Therefore, in the mitosis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, these four phases occurs in which two daughter cells produced at the end of mitosis are identical like that of mother cell. Similar like that of mother cell, and therefore this type of cell division is called as identical cell division, or 2n is equal to 2n, or equational division. Is it clear to you? What are the importance of mitosis? Helps in growth of organism. Plants or animals, when they show mitosis, what happen? One cell produces two cells. Mother cell produces daughter cell. This daughter cell again produces next daughter cells. That means single cell produces many cells after repeated mitotic division, and there is a growth takes place. That growth takes place at the tip of shoot and tip of root in the plants, and in the human body growth takes place up to the maturation level of the animals. That means mitosis helps in the growth of animals or plants, and as well as mitosis takes place in the body cells and helps in the wound healing. What is meant by wound? In Marathi, zakham. जखम भरून का निघते? तिथं असणाऱ्या पेशीचं विभाजन होतं. कोणत्या प्रकारचं? मायटॉटिक प्रकारचं. कोणत्या प्रकारचं? मायटॉटिक. Therefore, mitosis is very helpful in the growth and development of the organisms. Is it clear to you? Yes. Tell me the phases of mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. ठीक है.